In this video, I will tell you about the Ratecard integration with Zapier. Thanks to this integration, you can now collect feedback on autopilot within more than 1,000 apps. First of all, you need a Zapier account, so go there and sign up or sign in. You can make two types of Zaps, one to collect feedback and one to report it back into your app. First, we need to make sure that we add or update a contact within Ratecard in order for the feedback survey to send out. So let's now first make a trigger from this Google Sheets account and connect your account. Then select the spreadsheet and the worksheet you want to use, and then you get a sample, so the first row within this Google Sheet row, and then now you can couple it up with the Ratecard. So let's now first connect your Ratecard account, and then we can add the action to add or update a contact to your Ratecard account. So that's it. Let's test it if it's working. It is. So now you can decide where, in which group you want to add this new row that is added to your Google Sheet. Remember that these groups, in this instance customers, are connected to a feedback campaign within Ratecard. You can map all your fields, say first name, last name, email address, and finally the JSON. This is a code that helps you add more smart fields, as we call it, so you can really personalize your feedback campaigns via text or email. Next, we will send this test to Ratecard, and as we see, it's successful. So now, if you're ready, you can turn on your Zap and you can collect feedback from, in this case, Google Sheets, but you can connect any apps like Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, and many more. What happens then is that if the trigger that you built with Zapier fires, a new contact will be added to the group that you selected within Ratecard, and the feedback campaign that you connected to this group will fire. In this case, a text or an SMS campaign. And as you can see, it's really simple to leave feedback, and the respondent will give you feedback within 10 seconds. The other feedback campaign that you can send out is email, so it's totally branded, totally personalized, and that's it. You now have your feedback, you can check it out, and there you go. You also can report feedback back into your app. So for example, now set up a new Zap and use the trigger for new feedback that is added to your Ratecard account, and decide which form you want to use the feedback of. Now you pull in a sample and you get the first sample of that form, like this one. And if you're ready, you can finish this step and you can connect an action, for example, to add a new row to your Google Sheet if new feedback is added for you within your Ratecard account, and you decide which spreadsheet, which worksheet, and you can map the right feedback columns and feedback fields to the right columns within your Google Sheets spreadsheet. So a few things we have is first name, last name, of course, but also the average rating and all the other fields you asked for within your feedback form. It's totally flexible, so you can decide which questions you can ask yourself. And then if that's ready, you're finished and you're good to go. You turn on your Zap and now you're good to go to collect feedback, and there it is, the new feedback within your Google Sheets account. So good luck with this Zapier integration with Ratecard, and don't forget to improve every day.